look what's happening. The rain a blow. Like this can cut.
One thing you can learn good.
Learn fast.
Who? Who got you? I will teach you for the density.
When I have 70-year-old.
Look what's happening. The rain a blow. The trees and the tree and everything that keeps on here. So yes, you can see what one. Good morning, guys. So I'm actually getting ready to leave out the house, mega country. So the rain has been falling from morning, from last night, from yesterday, pretty much. So it kind of ease up now. So I just go leave out. We go get a bus for go a country. I will hopefully get clips on the road. Bye. currently at the Santa Cruz Party. It's very different from the one in Kingston. One up here is spacious, the one at Kingston different. And I must say the soy patty is very good. I'm here eating and waiting on my bestie. Should get here about the next 5 or 10 minutes or so. So I'll check in back later. When the voice not sweet, yo. Say hi.
Hi.
No man, voice note in my head. Alright, make it do your thing. Actually, I got a taxi stand. I have a long walk to go up this place. I go down there, so then turn up. Like guys, the rain come back down now. If we start Shadowpy there. Traffic is building up here. So if I hurry up and come out of the town because the rain start back again. So when I'm close to New Market, I'll check back in with you guys.
We have it just already.
It's serious out here. I just hurry up and want to reach home. Like, I'm going to go New Market and most likely only hope water now settle down there because it's possible. Like, me go make some smoothie and now, and a really smoothie. Me go make something the shots with cayenne pepper, turmeric, carrot, sour orange, me no lime, black pepper. Yeah. That's what my country look. So my country stay. We'll leave a bush. I'm here though to go up there so. Actually, my neighbor yard. And just a come find down a one pear tree down there, so the big tree there. Right down there, so one big pear tree there. Just a come from down there. We used to come up here like every day as a picnic, and this is one red apple tree. Like I can't climb tree, I go the first limb, and it look like them have blossom right up in the tree up there. So it's a very fruitful place. All this they have banana plant, every different kind of tree, everybody plant. Go look for my uncle. He plant everything. Now what can go down this so? This is a very old house. Me used to live around me a picnic. And me a big woman now and it's still standing. So you know, so you do it time. Like see they still stand up. He stand up same way. And I think anytime we have dry weather, if I come out here so come for water. So they can look for more hills. Take a shortcut and cut out everywhere. So actually I go down Lane Road. Over where the white part down there, so at Black River. One thing with country, you go find fruit and food tree in everybody yard. Like coconut, yam. I don't know if I dash in a cocoa them here. raise a little full cube and thing. And everybody have a tank in the yard. Yeah, they all walk. Except my skin peel is almost complete, which is good. I'm sure not down the hill now. Somebody run gun left me. Yes, over there, so down over the white part, Black River side, Brompton, all of them place there. The place green up here, so you get a lot of fresh air. It's not as toxic as Kingston, but I love town. So I walk to where I go to anytime I reach. If I can get to show y'all guys more, then I will.
Morning. Who me up here, man?
Nah, bird. Today we go pick peanut. I go pull peanut till fat today. You go pull sorrel too? Or just peanut?
Do what you can do.
Alright, so we go pull peanut, go pick peanut. We normally pick sorrel too. But at this we go do for now. So I will check back in with you guys when we finish. One Javina. So y'all, I'm walking down the track. I'm going to a bird place. Honestly, I don't know if these are cocoa or dasheen, but as you can see them grow like really big leaf. Or maybe they're wild. I don't know. Don't judge me. So some more over there. So you have an ackee tree down there, so that ever shell in time of ackee season. Damn, see me out for job. Anyway, look, you see it, one whole heap of them. Nah, bird, are some of them here? A dasheen or a cocoa them? Yeah, cocoa. I have a little of cocoa for eat. Yeah, I come down at the sorrel king. So the first bucket of sorrel here. So I come out of the way, so you can see sorrel for days. And last year, the year before, I picked sorrel like one wholly like pounds. So this is the plant and what it looks like. And them can harvest them. As you can see them actually, I pick them to make sorrel. You know, they pick them, pulp them and sell them. Well, look at friend in their country. Looks one pig over there, so. Same day. I zoom up on him because I'm not go close to him. Like this tree, I'm sure say plum come in December. Pear red, juicy, oti iti, whatever the apple they name. This tree and that tree, them big, red, black and juicy. So next month, I'm sure plum life. So my red canela, how about there? Them a cut them off of the tree. So then if young like this can cut. And you have a little young one, them funny. You have to leave them till they grow. I will go in there, but you see if this thing catch on by your clothes, then check out your backside.
I mean, a white truck either.
So, you know, white shirt, because I appear them your judge.
A black truck.
Appear them your judge.
White marine.
Yeah, so I go help them pick some. Let me check in backward now.
You understand? Some people be total. One thing you can learn good.
Learn fast.
Who?
Who got you? I will teach you for the density.
When I am 70 years old.
Oh,
Me.
170.
I'm married 20 years old. And my band married now, make it. And I got this band.
Yeah. That will wire away.
You know, so. Okay, this is the key.
I think to be exercise your back.
You sick back, you sick back.
I could exercise. You never know. How about you want to be cranky in your back? Mr. Then cranky one back, man back since the year. Yeah. Then they big. Remember when I saw them when I'm sorry, I'm not sentimental. Girl, what? That's enough.
Married just chilling. Sweet lime. All right.
Yeah, you can't eat. Look, if it's